Have you ever encountered a situation that nearly brought you to your knees? Have you ever felt so challenged that giving up seemed like the only sensible option? If so, today's video is tailored for you. We're here to share 7 timeless Stoic lessons on perseverance that will inspire you to keep moving forward, no matter how tough the journey becomes. But before we dive into these valuable lessons, I would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by liking this video. Your support helps me continue spreading the wisdom of Stoic philosophy. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you never miss our videos. Lesson 1. Embrace life's challenges. Lesson number 1 teaches us to accept our fate and embrace every moment, even the moments of struggle. Many of us often cling tightly to our preconceived notions of how life should unfold, but the Stoic philosophy reminds us that many aspects of life are beyond our control. Therefore, we should not resist the challenges or setbacks, but embrace them as integral parts of our journey. The only thing we can control is how we respond. Lesson 2. Stop complaining and take action. Lesson number 2, as articulated by Marcus Aurelius, encourages us not to complain. Instead of dwelling on problems and blaming external circumstances, Stoicism guides us to shift our focus towards what we can do about the situation. What can we learn from it and how can we grow from it? This mindset transforms us from passive sufferers into active problem solvers. Stoics value silent endurance. Lesson 3. It's not the end of the world. Lesson number 3 reminds us that even when problems appear insurmountable, they are not the end of the world. Viewing setbacks with a balanced perspective allows us to see beyond immediate hardships and recognize the broader tapestry of life, with its losses and disappointments as integral parts. Lesson 4. Actively persevere, avoid procrastination. Lesson number 4 advises against procrastination, emphasizing Seneca's point that putting things off is a waste of life. Perseverance is not about passively enduring suffering, it's about actively combating it. When we procrastinate, we intensify our distress. Stoicism encourages us to actively work towards ending our suffering through deliberate, thoughtful, and even forceful responses to adversity. Lesson 5. Demand better for yourself. Lesson number 5 highlights the importance of demanding better for yourself. Stoicism encourages us to take control of our needs and expectations rather than outsourcing them to others. This involves setting higher personal and career goals, but it also means expecting more from your interactions with others. Don't allow people to belittle or disrespect you. Assert your boundaries and treat others with kindness and firmness. Most importantly, demand the best from yourself in all aspects of life. Lesson 6. Stop torturing yourself with negative perceptions. Lesson number 6 underscores the significance of our perceptions and interpretations. Stoicism teaches us that we suffer not from life events, but from our judgments about them. Negative self-talk distorts our abilities and potential, leading to decreased performance and a higher likelihood of failure. So, stop torturing yourself with negative interpretations, self-doubt, and harsh critiques. You're allowed to make mistakes and learn from them. Lesson 7. Utilize your resources. Lesson number 7 reminds us to use the resources at our disposal. We often overlook the internal resources we possess, such as resilience, critical thinking, experience, and patience. Recognizing and nurturing these resources, along with leveraging external resources like advice, assistance, technology, and tools, is crucial for perseverance. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 Stoic lessons resonates with you the most? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs